Hello everyone. Many audiophiles, after seeing this product, have asked me, what's the point of this? What does it mean for me? And to that, I can only say one thing. I believe this is extremely important. If you're someone who cares deeply about the sound quality of streaming playback or digital audio playback in general, then this is a product you absolutely need to pay attention to. Why? Because in my view, it represents something very significant. First of all, its ecosystem is incredibly powerful. From native streaming playback, including bit-perfect native playback of apps like QQ Music, NetEase Music, Qobuz, Tidal, and even Sony Music, you can install them directly and run them without any third-party layers. Second, it supports almost every format you can think of. DSD 1024 and PCM 1536 are fully supported, along with all major compression formats. It doesn't matter what kind of file or stream you throw at iTIFF, it works on Windows, it works here. Native playback, fully supported. And what really impressed me most was the sound. The sound performance went far beyond my expectations. Out of all the streaming products I've heard, and I've heard quite a few high-end ones, I can honestly say this is the best sounding one so far. And I'm not just saying this because I work at Soundaware. I've listened to a lot of streamers, and this one truly delivers. For those who didn't get the chance to hear it at the Guangzhou show, I recommend coming to the next Shanghai show and giving it a listen in a bridge core separation setup to really understand how high the ceiling can be. So just based on those points, you can judge for yourself whether this is a product worth paying attention to. Now, why did Soundaware even make this kind of product? Our first reference grade transport was a D300 REF released 7 years ago. Many users who've heard that product still have a strong impression of its sound. You can still find it secondhand for 8,000 or 9,000 RMB today. Now, 7 years later, we're releasing a second reference grade transport, and this one was created to completely surpass the D300 REF in every way higher sound quality, stronger functionality, more openness. Every part of it, from the motherboard, power supply, and network card to the CPU, has been deeply optimized. If you look into the specs, you'll see we're using an x86 motherboard with a PCIe network card and a highly refined architecture. All of that is for one reason: sound quality. That is the point of this product. So who is it for? It's aimed at users with high-end systems and a strong demand for sound quality. If you're just getting into hi-fi, or your DAC or amp isn't at a high enough level, then honestly, I wouldn't recommend you buy it. The price isn't cheap, it starts at over 20,000 RMB. And Soundaware already offers a USB transport with more functions at around 10,000 RMB and AES transports around 9,000 RMB. So you buy this product for one reason only: sound quality. It has a lot of flexibility and possibilities, but even the solution Soundaware provides out of the box already delivers very high performance, and its full potential, we haven't even reached that yet. What you hear at our demo booths is only its lower limit, and even that is already very impressive. So for those wondering what this product means, that's what it's all about. If there are users who don't fully understand some of its features, yet due to time constraints or otherwise, I recommend checking out our official product introduction and the launch event video. They explain why we chose the x86 platform, why we allow app installations, why offline playback is important, and why we support third-party bridge core setups. Everything we've done here is for one goal: achieving the best sound quality possible for both offline and online streaming playback. This is our second reference grade transport in 15 years, and it marks a major milestone for Soundaware. Thank you all for your attention, and I hope we can continue to learn from each other and grow together in this journey.